came the aspect that now if somebody's, their own video is coming up, you will believe. Your politician doing something, you will believe.
Yes.
Let's say a politician says something about some religious people. You will be like, this politician is against my religion, I will not vote. The guy has never said anything about anybody. I'm to going on the religion, the election aspect or the politicians aspect. Let's say any celebrity saying something, and tomorrow if the celebrity says something about something and it just creates, the ideology doesn't match, and then there would be whole section of people putting on a hate speech and against unnecessary hate towards that person. So practically, so much effort you make in making your image, it just maligns in 1 minute by just somebody creating that video by the click. With so much of precision that it's impossible, Archie, today for you and me to understand with our naked eye that this is a real picture or this is a synthetic picture.
Very true.
And that's where the government is saying that this is not job of people. This is job of the platform who are earning out of this.
Right.
Have that technology in place because you have that technology. Now, utilize that technology and make sure that people are not duped by utilizing your platform for any kind of cybercrime. They are not in a situation where they are defamed. They are not in a situation where some misinformation campaign is run in our country, or there is no such explicit content of people who, it is not their own. So all those scenarios do not come in place because we have laws in place, but we can't implement it because you don't want to utilize your technology.
Very true.
And I think that's why we are sitting today for that rules. And I'm very happy with that rules coming out by the meeting. Let's see how it turns out to be. This draft rule turns out to be the actual rule and how it is implemented in the future.
Absolutely, Khushbu. In fact, I think I see children being prey to such scams as well. And by the time they are able to recover their reputation, anybody, they are trying to recover their reputation, the damage is already done. And that's how I think these would help to some extent, to very good extent, I would say, as long as we have a tool set or technology that would be able to differentiate, distinguish between what's real and unreal.
Absolutely. I think, and even society will have to understand that do not believe in anything you say and stop crucifying those people on just seeing some picture or a video or some, audio file. Take a step back. Today, we are not in that age where we just believe into what we see on internet, on our phones, or, anywhere around. We need to take a step back, take a pause before thinking or, thinking good or bad about anybody for that matter. I know it's a difficult situation that we have arrived into that, we can't trust in anything we see around. But at least when you're trying something which is too good to be true, or something which is creating that terror or a fear, or something just is absolutely maligning somebody, in these scenarios, at least take a step back, pause, think, and then maybe start looking into it. And I would say with children, yes, you have absolutely right that, once it hits him, it's very difficult. The entire upbringing is scarred by it.
Exactly.
And it's not just children. At least children case mein to, with children, a lot of times they don't say. And they are scarred with it forever.
Right.
But it is happening not just with children, it is with everybody at every age group, and they don't want to share.
True.
Anything that goes wrong with me on internet, by default, I would want to hide.
Correct.
I don't want to share that something went wrong with me. 90% of the digital arrests are happening because of this, that you don't want to share.
Right.
Despite you have not done anything wrong, you don't want to share because there can be an element, there can be something wrong.
Right.
Or I'm stuck in something wrong.
Exactly.
Or I am stuck in something wrong which is done by somebody else. You're still ready to be in front of your screen for 12 hours to 12 days to 25 days to 40 days.